Well, my soon-to-be polyglot comrades, welcome to the Learning Spanish for Adults. Today, we're unraveling the secrets to conquering the Spanish language, a plan so brilliant, it's practically diabolical. ¿Estás listo? Are you ready? Because what you're about to embark upon is not just a language plan, it's a master plan for linguistic domination. Spanish, the language of flamenco, fiestas, and a dash of mischief. But fear not, my language minions, for Roberto has devised the ultimate Spanish language plan to transform you into a language superhero. Step 1. Mastermind your goals. What do you seek, my linguistic prodigies? Business prowess, travel fluency, or just impressing your amigos? Define your goals, and Roberto shall chart the course. Step 2. Assemble your arsenal. Duolingo, Babbel, FluentU, a trifecta of language learning power. Harness the might of these tools, and you'll be unstoppable in your quest for Spanish mastery. Step 3. Immerse yourself in the world of Espanol. Movies, music, books. Let the cultural current flow through you. Become one with the language, my linguistic apprentices. Step 4. Craft a consistent study schedule. Like a well-oiled machine, you shall dedicate time each day to the pursuit of Spanish greatness. Consistency, my friends, is the key to unlocking your linguistic potential. Step 5. Utilize the forces of technology and community. Rosetta Stone, Memrise, HelloTalk. Let the digital realm be your ally. Join language learning communities, connect with your fellow language enthusiasts, and forge alliances. Step 6. Assess and conquer. Regularly evaluate your linguistic conquests. Are you ready to ascend to the next level? Adapt and overcome, my linguistic comrades. Step 7. Practice the art of conversation. Engage in linguistic battles, my amigos. Seek out language exchange partners and practice speaking Spanish with confidence. Your conversational skills shall be legendary. And finally, my linguistic protégé, Step 8. Stay persistent and patient. The path to linguistic supremacy is not for the faint of heart. Embrace the journey, celebrate your victories, and remember, Roberto believes in you. Now, my linguistic legion, armed with a Spanish language plan, go forth and conquer the Spanish-speaking world. Adios, amigos, until our linguistic paths cross again.